Here we are on board the 42 Outrage 2016 Boston Whaler. New trade-in we just got in. Let's take a quick peek at all some of the amenities we got. We got the fold-down seat on the side, which is a nice option. We also have the large one on the back. If you do decide to fish for the day, all you got to do, lift it up. You're all set up, nice leaning post for fish. Got the large live well, dive door, which is fantastic for getting on and off the boat from the water, and also for bringing the fish on the boat. It's fantastic. Nice prep area here, dual fridges, electric grill, everything's set up nicely to prepare food and fish if you do catch some fish. Let's move forward. Here we are. We got a really nice bench seat, holds 3 adults, very, very comfortable. You also have the 3 captain's chairs here, so 3 more adults, very comfortable. So you can have 3 couples out here, very, very comfortable. They can actually be in the air conditioning if you want. The helm is set up tremendously. 3 flat screen Marine touchscreens. Fantastic equipment for this with the radar. You do have the joystick, fantastic sideways action, skyhook, autopilot on it. Just a great feature for the boat. Large one-piece windshield with a vent. Nice, a large area down below for entertaining and sleeping as well, with a large walk-in head also. So plenty of room down below for a center console. Let's move forward. The boat also is equipped on their hard top. You've got the satellite TV, track vision. You also have had night vision as well. 2 really nice features for this boat. 3 large reclining chairs, very comfortable. Storage underneath. You got the lounges in the front here. It's all non-skid up here as well. You got a teak table that goes up and down with the control. The boat has got everything you could possibly want, and it does everything well. So if you like any more information, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194. And don't forget, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as well to see more videos.